Ka University of Science and Technology Meghalaya USTM hakasien balai senam kynthih kalayo panrung biang hapading ki arspa tali ki Skulbah ki babhatam jong kari India hakajing penbena ka bakhanda jong ka National Institutional Ranking Framework NIRF 2024 ka bala penbena hakakat artrik menta ubnai da menteri katanat puli puthi ka sarkar pedeng udharmendra pradhan kumshi benta ban Lehkmen halor kani ka jingjob ki samla puli ki nong hikai bat ki wei klayalum lang ha Central Auditorium jonga USTM hakakat lai trik nailar ka USTM ka detang maka kabalayo ya kani ka kerdan ka babahatam na ki arspa tili ki Skulbah hakathan syatei la mii ya kani ka kerdan la penmi man usnam katkum ka jingshim jingken ya ki jaka puli bakam halor ka India katkum ki jingtho ha ka bala bu kerdan ya ki jaka puli kalong ka jinghikai bat kila jingaram ka jingwat benia bat ka jingtrekam bakerpang bat kiwei ka USTM ka de ka Skulbah ka balayo ya ka accreditation A grade hadin ka jingbishar benia da ka NAAC house nam arajar arkuwei la ithuru ya ka te ka Skulbah kum ka green campus ka badai ru ka wei na ki jing ang not bahakmat e jong ka NAAC kum ka kunhun jong ka Ministry of Education ka sarkar India ka te ka Skulbah kala tre khlem sangi ban penurlong ya ka thong jong ka banlong kum ka wei na ki jaka puli ka bapaw khmat ha ka perthei kelawan ra ya ka payback policy ka bakerpang ban pensluri ki samla ban puli pendap ya ka NET GATE SLET IAS lani kino exam bahakli du bala penlong da ka sarkar jela bat sarkar pedeng hapo kani ka policy ki samla puli jong ka USTM ki bapas ya kini ki exam kyo biang ya ka bailut jong ki na ka te ka Skulbah Layadon lang umabu bulhog Chancellor, Professor GD Sharma, Vice Chancellor, but Dr. BK Das, Pro Vice Chancellor ka USTM, Padma Shri Dr. Sarbeswar Saharia, Pro Vice Chancellor ka USTM, Dr. RK Sharma, Advisor USTM, Professor BK Das, Principal, PIMC, Professor RK Sharma, Principal ka IAMC, Dr. Rashna Das Hazarika, Medical Superintendent, PIMC, Mrs. U. Anju Hazarika, Registrar ka USTM, bat kiwei.
USTM is very necessary. I need this research only. But we have to see our future. Are you satisfied that we must be among 200, we must be among 100? Or among 50? 50 or 100? It is possible. It is possible where there is a will, there is a way. How it is? Our fraternity must be punctual. Not punctual, super punctual. If this class starts at 9, you are finishing at 8. Okay? And students will be coming after 9. Then students must reach at 7. Okay? And library must be occupied. The complaint must reach the chancellor that there is no sitting place. Then you will enjoy university will be better training. You will find among 20 universities there are 5-6 private universities. Oxford is a private, MIT is a private or government. Cambridge, these are all private universities. We can make it. We can make it here. We are just like bottle of water, but this institution will remain. This plant will remain. This plant will produce fruits. So, students who are coming for 2 years, who are coming for 4 years. One thing that you have to make your area shiny. Another thing, when you will be making shining, when so many candidates will be shining, you will find that the entire hall is shining. So once students are shining, this university will go. So we want to say they have nurtured this baby from last 10, 11 years. They have seen how he has started. It was a very grand. There was no plants. But how many plants? I say many officers, after few years, if you want to find plants, big trees, flowers, you have to come to USTM only. This front side area, people used to come every Sunday. People take booking of our campus for shooting. So starting from Skulbah and all the people are coming for shooting here. This is your campus. This is the people's university. And we have a commitment. If you go on the other side, you will find I personally visited. And I went in Hyderabad. From Hyderabad I went to another 1 hour by flight. I have gone to the Rajamandri where all varieties of plants are there. And we have spent 1.69 crores for purchasing plants of this campus. Go and see. Where is the person, for instance, 5,000 rupees for plantation? This is your money. Pay to the place country. We could not get the salary of our military members. But on the other side, we are spending money for the plantation. And we are bringing for A++ in 2026. We will get it A++ in 2026. We will get it. And these are the commitment. Lots of things in our plan. But it is your money students you are paying. More than 1,000 students are getting free or consumer education they are getting. But still, it is so powerful, your money is so powerful that you have built this campus. I am telling you, nobody will know that you are dedicating 5,000 loan to this institution. I have visited from one bank to another. But last year, even we have not completed 1 year, State Bank of India came to our office and they said that how much you need. I said I need 75 crores. My chartered accountant said no, it is not possible to come up with an institution only 150 crores. I was very much hesitant that how we will return this money. This bank, without any collateral, State Bank of India, you know, State Bank of India is among financial institutions that are top. They have, without any collateral, State Bank of India has 150 crores loan for our upcoming medical college. Then, next year given that there was state access there. This is one of the blunder I made in my life because I was depending on the student fees. If I had done any mistake that I took loan because this is a project of this size, if student money is not enough, so I am worried that how this money should be returned and how we can survive, how we can be a decent salary to our faculty members. I have especially invited our housekeeping staff who are sitting here. जो लोग सुबह से शाम तक काम करते हैं, and this way I think the recognition that it is one of the cleanest campus. The people who are working in the campus, I have seen some of the housekeeping staff, they carry a separate bag. When they are moving in the whole campus road, they carry a separate bag. Why you know? They use their dustbin. They use this campus because I used to spend my time there. In लोगों के साथ my time खर्च करता था. And some of the housekeeping staff are so motivated. They got my idea. They understand the cleanliness को बहुत पसंद करते हैं. And they gave me a small leaf, dry leaf, which is falling down every time. I have seen it from the people. They carry it old, they are all looking very young people. And they are working. These people say, what they can move anywhere. Our basic members, they can go anywhere. What we do is they are receiving calls from other institutions. But they lack this sense. Because they have nurtured. They are committed to all such activities. This year this institution coming up. I don't have control over this man, which is growing up. I don't have control. I cannot stop it. This is the energy behind this institution. Everyone knows. First call, how are you measure how? Second call, how your university is running and function. Is there any problem? Starting from university chairman, starting from other big people sitting in London, sitting in other places. So, this is your university.